Hi everyone, Kokila here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, request to please subscribe and click on the bell button. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about right to information and Indian Constitution with the case laws. Let's get started. When it comes to right to information, there is no specific right to information mentioned in the Constitution of India, but the right of information has been read into the constitutional guarantees like Article 14, which states right to equality before the law, Article 19, 1A, which states right to freedom of speech and expression. This is very important article when it comes to right to information and Indian Constitution. And Article 21, which states right to life and personal liberty, and Article 32, which states right to constitutional remedies. So all these articles in Constitution have connection with the right to information indirectly. Considering the aspect of Article 19(1) subsection A here of the Constitution of India, which guarantees citizens freedom of speech and expression of freedom of speech. In order to express the freedom of speech and expression, one must also have the freedom to receive the opinion from others. So the need for right to information has been widely felt in all the sectors of the country, and this has also received judicial recognition. So there is a judicial recognition through some landmark judgments of Indian courts, which we are going to discuss further in this video. And there are some Supreme Court judgments which supports the right to information with Indian Constitution. So let us see those case details. And the right to information was held to be a fundamental right to the citizens under Article 19 subsection 1A of the Constitution of India for the first time by Justice K.K. Mathur in the case of State of UP versus Raj Naren. And in this view was also followed by the Supreme Court in a number of subsequent decisions. So now let us understand this case. In this case, citizens' right to know was emphasized, and in this Honorable Justice Mathur states that in a government of responsibility like ours, where all the agents of the public must be responsible for their conduct, by there can be few secrets. The people of this country have a right to know every public act, everything that is done in a public way by their public functionaries, and they are entitled to know the particulars of every public transaction in all. The right to know, which is derived from the concept of right or freedom of speech, though it is not absolute, but without an informed public opinion, the exercise of the freedom of speech and expression cannot be effective, and it becomes illusory. Thus, in this case, it was stated that right to knowledge carries in its fold that the right to information, and the right to information will flow out of the freedom of speech and expression. So we'll take another example and another case law as an example here. In the case law of S.P. Gupta versus Union of India. In this case, it was decided, and this case was decided by a 7-judge constitutional bench, and it was added a fresh liberal dimension to the need for increased disclosure in matters relating to the public affair. So now let us see what is the judgment was given under this case. The bench held that in regard to the functioning of government, disclosure of information must be an ordinary rule. So it clearly states in this case of S.P. Gupta versus Union of India, it clearly states that the disclosure of information must be the ordinary rule, while the secrecy must be an exception. So from this above judicial pronouncements, it's stating that fundamental rights disclosure of information by the public authorities, because the information has been provided by the public authorities to the citizens. So it is the rule, and withholding or denial of information isn't just an exception. So by this we understood it should be providing information should be the basic rule, and certain information cannot be disclosed, and that should be just an exception. So these were the points related to right to information. and Indian Constitution with the related case laws. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Take care.